Alright guys, welcome back to another Chef Jordan special. Thank you for sticking with me all through 2023. This probably will be my last TikTok for 2023, so let's get into it. So right now, what I'm getting done for you guys is a beautiful scalloped potatoes. Some people know that as a gratin, so it depends on where you're from, you'll know it has different names. So these are the cheeses that I'm using: Gouda, sharp cheddar, and some other cheese mix thingy thing. So that's it. After it done mix up and thing, make sure everything incorporated, you know. This is me banging the hell out of those garlic, because I mean I don't have no time to sit down and strip them. Zine, chopping up the garlic, getting everything nice and ready for the saute pan. You know what I'm saying? Get some butter in there to start the roux. The roux is what I'm gonna be using to thicken that sauce that I'm making. Oh, and by the way, this is a truffle oil scallop potatoes, not no regular. Yeah, this is that good stuff. So this is me making the roux. Zine, half butter to flour. That's all. I think so. I don't remember. Anyways, butter and flour. Make your roux, and then after that now you throw in your milk little. Zine, and then you'll have your bechamel, and then after your bechamel you do what I'm doing now, which is adding the cheese in slowly but surely. Zine. I didn't add any Gouda into the sauce itself because I needed that to put on top of the casserole, because you know Gouda is a cheese where kind of it just fades in the background. Add a little bit more truffle oil because you don't know, you have to have that truffle flavor. That's the whole point. You see me? Take your time and layer your potatoes with your cream. Potato cream. You repeat it until it's done onto the top. Zine. Sprinkle it with some of that parsley and cilantro that you saw me doing. Get a nice bake on it. Make sure it bake properly so all of the potatoes are cooked evenly. And yeah, that's it. It's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy the video.